Okay, this is another ceremony that we've been given through our ceremonial drums. People are able to bring in tobacco and food and offering, asking that those money do give them good health, good life. And usually this is for people that are facing illness of sorts, usually a serious illness, and they'll bring their food into the dance hall at the time of the ceremonial dance, or sometimes some of them will even bring the food over to my home, and we'll put the drum down on the floor, and the food will be also placed there. And what they do when they first come into the hall, at the time of the dance, they'll bring their food in, their bowl of food, maybe something to drink. And the Shkabeos, the helper, will put that food close to the drum on the northwest side of the drum. And that's where the food is placed. And then they're told to put their tobacco in the drum's tobacco box, and then to bring their tobacco to the person they have chosen to talk. And that person will talk on their behalf, asking that that person who's brought the food in will be given good health, that their problems or their illness be removed, and tobacco is offered up to those Maniduk who all sit around that drum, and asking that they put their hands together and help these Anishinaabe that have brought their food in, hoping that they will be helped. So I've seen a lot of people have been helped by doing this, by going through this. Sometimes relatives will bring their food over when their relative is in the IC unit going through some serious health issues. And I've seen that they have been helped. Migoyo.